Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to keep character consistent with Nano Banana. So I have generated this character and we named this Anya, right? So I'll create a new chat. Let's come here, click on Tools, enable Nano Banana once we have clicked on Create Images. Then I'll show you some different prompts that we can use. Of course, everything will be in the description. You can just copy and paste if you want. So these are example prompts. And as you can see, we have key consistent phrases. Okay, basically what to preserve, like the face, the hair, the clothing exactly, if you want that to be preserved as well. Because in this one, the goal is just to change the scene. So you need to be explicit with your prompt. Use explicit language. Explain what exactly you want to achieve and what you want to retain. And to be consistent, I suggest you keep uploading that base image, okay, as a reference. So go ahead and upload this image. So I've just dragged and dropped that. Okay, let's go ahead and just copy and paste this prompt into here in Gemini Nano Banana. There you go, paste that in, hit submit. In a few seconds we'll see what it comes up with, but basically you're following the same process. Here in changing outfit, that's the goal. So we just tell it to maintain facial features and identity across the change. And here it's just the pose expression being changed. Here it is just a style, for example, the Ghibli style. So let's come back and see what Gemini did. There you go. You see, it actually works. And that is how to keep character consistent with Nano Banana.